Did you know the GoPro Hero 13 Black can capture stunning 8K video while being completely waterproof up to 33 feet? Stay tuned to find out why this camera is a game changer for adventurers and vloggers alike.
Welcome back to Miss Resenya's TV. Today we're diving into the incredible GoPro Hero 13 Black. This powerhouse camera boasts 8K video recording, hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization, and smart capabilities like voice control and live streaming. Let's see what makes it stand out.
GoPro Hero 13 Black Action Camera, sold by Amazon.
Introducing the GoPro Hero 13 Black, the ultimate waterproof action camera for all your adventures.
Choosing the right action camera can be a daunting task. With so many options on the market, how do you know which one is worth your investment? We've all been there, scrolling through endless reviews and specs, trying to make sense of it all. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, or should I say, a camera in a sea of gadgets. But fear not, because today, we're breaking down the GoPro Hero 13 Black and showing you why it might just be the perfect fit for your adventures.
Compatible with HB series lenses, it offers versatile specialty shots for every scenario.
Capture breathtaking 3K 60 video, delivering 91% more resolution than 4K for stunning clarity.
Record in ultra-slow motion with 13x slow-mo, revealing details unseen by the naked eye.
Rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, it's built to withstand mud, snow, and water.
Includes Hero 13 Black camera, Enduro battery, mounts, and USB-C cable for all your needs.
Elevate your action shots with the GoPro Hero 13 Black and its advanced features.
In summary, the GoPro Hero 13 Black offers unparalleled video quality, advanced stabilization, and smart features that make it a top choice for any adventurer or content creator. It's a fantastic value for money, providing everything you need to capture your best moments.
Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think about the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Miss Resenya's TV for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video.
The GoPro Hero 13 camera will be available soon at Amazon Store USA, Amazon Store UK, and Tienda Amazon España. Click on the links in the video description to order it.